Hey everybody, welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. A lot of you probably don't know, but we actually have honeybees. We have 3 hives currently, and we started raising bees like several years ago, but we haven't gotten much honey from them. Of course, the first year or so, you don't harvest much because they're establishing themselves, but supposedly, like the more you do the bees, the more honey you're gonna get because they're established and they're good, and they'll be able to produce a lot extra that you can have. But that hasn't really been the case for us. We harvested some honey the first year, and then I think some more the second year, but then these past 2 years, we've gotten basically no honey at all, because number one, we just live in an odd place for bees. We have a lot of weather shifts in the wintertime, and so that kind of messes up the natural cycle of how bees will hibernate for the winter. And then we've also had to learn the hard way a lot with bees swarming, or hives dying, or just, beginner stuff you learn. And several times things have started out really good, and we're so excited, everything's going amazing, and then we have a drought, and there's no flowers. Or the queen dies and the new ones don't hatch properly, and then we have a hive die off. But this year, we started out really good, we kept going good, and we've continued to be amazing. And now, it's finally fall and we get to harvest the honey, and I am so excited. I tried my best to vlog a little bit of what we did. This is by no means a tutorial, it's more just like being a fly on the wall, seeing what we did. I have made a couple videos about our bees in the past, and I have a video of us harvesting honey for the first time, and that shows a bit more of the process. If you're interested, I can link that in the iCard above. But as we were joyfully going through this process, I thought I'd turn the camera on, get a few shots, and bring you guys along, because a little bit is better than nothing.
So it's not overflowing is what you're telling me? You want us to see the last frame put in? Yep. We're going to do 2 more frames like we just did. And you can film those if you want, or you can wait. We can call you in when we're about to put the last one in. Here are the jobs. Filming. Then we need somebody to kind of do the jars, and then we need somebody to close this in between jars. So do you want to be where I am so you could reach it, and I'll move over here? And right, and I can handle jars. Oh, and where's your spoon? Oh yeah. So anybody else want a spoon? So this one will loosen. It won't come all the way off. You'll just loosen it enough, and then it'll leak a little bit, and then we'll tighten it at the very end. But we'll do the jar so fast that you'll open it, you'll close it, and then lift up towards me.
Like this does.
Do you want to do your jar next?
Yeah.
And I used any instructions about school. Are we doing that?
Now it's done filming to catch. afternoon spoons for you. Sticky finger. Yes. All right, spoons. Why? You don't greeny much? That's a little too much. Still feel my medicine?
So we ended up getting 5 gallons of honey. We filled up an entire 5-gallon bucket of naturally raised wildflower honey from our very own bees. We can't say it's organic because they forage other places off of our farm where other people may spray pesticides on their flowers or plants. But this is still so much better than your average store-bought stuff. We calculated about how much honey of a similar quality would cost. We've had to buy honey the past couple years, so we buy organic raw honey from a really good place. And we bottled $175 worth of honey. And I don't even think this is all of it. We may be harvesting even more honey throughout the next couple weeks. I am so happy with the harvest we got from our homestead. This is one of the few times where we are wildly successful at an endeavor. I mean, just look at the deep, rich color. And oh my gosh, it tastes amazing. Oh, I'm so happy. Thanks for watching.